refrigerant comes in from the air conditioner outside as a liquid, goes into the coil, and then expands into a gas. When it expands, it gets cold. Laws of thermodynamics, hot travels to cold. You can't make it go the other way. If you don't have enough airflow, you're not expanding that refrigerant all the way. Now you have liquid refrigerant going back to the compressor. You can't compress liquids. If you already have a liquid, you're destroying your compressors. So much happens by people trying to filter their air, not knowing what they're doing, and causing more harm than good. There are MERV 12, 14 filters that I can recommend, but they're in a filter box that's 5 inches wide, so you have 30 feet of surface area, then yeah, you're okay. You're gonna have enough air going through. But when you try to take these filters and you stick them in a 1-inch filter rack, ain't no good.
So you should be able to see your hand through a filter.
You can see your hand through the fiberglass air filter. That's the only thing we recommend. Unfortunately now, I try to buy a fiberglass air filter. They're getting tougher to get a hold of. But when I'm getting them, they're $3, $4 a piece. I remember when these things used to be 47 cents a pop, and I can get them by the dozen or by a case, and I'm getting them for 20 cents. I mean, filters nowadays are going crazy. And if you go to Home Depot, oh look, this filter's $6. Oh, this filter's $38. It must be a better filter. Yeah, it is. A piece of sheet metal would be just as good. But, you know, this is what people think. It's destroying the units. Most houses, and I say this all the time, anybody can put a heater or air conditioner in. Making somebody comfortable and having the system right is an art form.